Hello my fellow scratchers. In this video we are going to learn some more basic blocks of control category with simple examples. So I will tell you about the if then else, wait until and repeat until blocks. So let's get into it. First I will tell you about the if then block. This if then block checks the condition. If the condition is true, whatever is inside the block will run only one time. Now let me explain you with an example. So we will go to the events category and drag the when green flag clicked block into the scripting area. Now go to the control category and drag the forever loop here. Now inside the forever loop we will drag this if then block. Now go to the sensing category and drag the keep test block inside the if then. And I'm going to select the space key. Now go to the motion categories and drag the turn clockwise degrees block here and set the value to 15. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, when I do not press the space key nothing happens, but when I press the space key it rotates. Now go to the control categories. This is the if then else block. This block has two options to run your block. One is called the if condition and the other is called the else condition. If the condition is true, then your block within the if condition will run once. Similarly, in case if the condition is false, then the block within the else condition will run one time. So, we will delete the if condition only and drag this turn clockwise degrees block in the if condition, and we will set the condition of the if then else to key space. Now in the else condition, we will go to the motion categories and drag the turn anti-clockwise degrees block here and set the value to 15. Now let me explain how this works. So if we press the space key, then our sprite will rotate 15 degrees clockwise, and if we don't press the space key, the sprite will rotate 15 degrees anti-clockwise. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, I'm not pressing the space key. It turns anti-clockwise, but when I press the space key, it turns clockwise. Let's set the direction of the sprite back to 90. Now, drag the keep pressed block somewhere else in the scripting area and delete everything inside the forever loop. Now go to the looks category and drag the change color effect by block here. Now go to the control categories and drag the wait until block here and set the condition to key space pressed. In this wait block, process the script until the specified condition becomes true. So now go to the motion categories and drag the move stress block here and set the value to 20. So first, when we click the green flag, it will trigger this forever loop. Then it will change the sprite's color effect by 25. Then it will wait until I press the space key. Then our sprite will move 20 steps forward. So let's run our program. As you can see guys, the color changes, and when I press the space key, it moves forward. Now let's have a look at the repeat block. Repeat block will loop your block until the condition becomes true. So we will delete everything beneath the when green flag clicked block. Now drag this repeat until block here. Now go to the motion categories and drag the go to XY block here and set the Y to 0 and the X position to -180. Now go to the sensing categories and drag the touching block here and select the option edge. Now go to the motion categories and drag the change X by block inside the repeat and set the value to 10. So first our sprite will go to this position and then it will repeat until it touches the edge of the stage. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, the sprite moves until it touches the edge of the stage. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn how to use wait, repeat, forever and many other blocks, then check out my video of Scratch Control Blocks Part 1. The link of this video is in the description below. Over. If you want to learn about wait and wait until blocks for your program logic building, then check out my video on how to use wait and wait until. The link of this video is also in the description below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys and take care.